La ilaha illallah. No God but Allah. That in itself gives you dignity. You know, the motto of my party, when I started my party 25 years ago, is Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. You alone I worship, you alone I ask for help. In my opinion, true faith, Iman, that in itself gives you dignity. Because just the fact that you don't bow in front of anyone but the one, that is a liberation of a human being. I've always, young people ask me about who do I respect or what is the concept of richness. You see, for me, someone who is rich is someone whose conscience has no price. You can't buy them. And that's what I mean, this, and you talked about the candy man and I talked about this laborer. People who don't bow in front of anyone, who do not allow their dignity, lose their dignity, whatever happens.